Yeah. The foolish man's house. What do you call yourself? Prison Frank or whatever you call yourself. Burn this whole place. Burn this place down. Frank he bought animal human being. You can never do anything reasonable for your people. It is to bring Fulani herdsmen into our territory. Who do here? Who do here? Just look at one man's house. Our again yellow mob on your hand there. Our again yellow mob on your hand there. Belle, you see him. You see him. Our again yellow mob on your hand there. The California Park Renulia. People are suffering. In the matter now, California would recommend a boy. Would a park here in one room. Or again, you look more on your hand there when who you am on your OG as election. That
is why we need this freedom. We need this freedom before the unity of Africa, because Africa will unite very soon. And I want to see Biafra before then. We will start teaching our children about Biafran in schools. We will start preaching about Biafrans in our church.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Hello Biafrans, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 22 of August 2025, we are bringing this news to you from the stables of Magnetic Jigs TV. This is the news update. The Umu Oma has identified one politician called Frank Ibe. According to this video, they allege that Frank Ibe is one of the politicians that signed a contract with the Fulani herdsmen. They are bringing Fulani into Imo State. There is a particular land that was allocated to Fulani. Hope Uzodinma, who happens to be the governor of Imo State, was alleged that Fulani herdsmen who helped him to take over the governorship of Imo State demanded something from him, and he has already secretly signed those lands to the Fulani herdsmen. There was a time they tried to bring in Fulani into Mbano side, one center like that, and the people of Umu Oma took the actions immediately. They went to that particular center and set it on fire, and at the end of the whole thing, they came up again to say that it is a lie, that place was never signed to Fulani herdsmen. But indeed, after some investigations, it was finally revealed that they actually wanted to bring down Fulani herdsmen from one part of northern Nigeria. They wanted to bring them down that place as a kind of IDP camp, yes, in the indisplaced people, in the indisplaced people's camp, So this time around, Umu Oma identify one of the politicians that are involved into all these secret sign of bringing Fulani herdsmen into Imo State, and they paid him a visit. They went straight to his homeland, to his house, though the man wasn't around when they came. So you can see valuable items they discovered in the man's house. All the things that they are buying, using them to do politics, using them to bribe some people, because him and I go to Nobodo, and I go to Nobodo. I was saying the Newanya, in the mama, in the papa, in the Munai, Ekecha has some certain things, name where he should not do. If you have used once in Kahagala, Baha, where Sakoroze Hishi, we say, and a habia biri ha kana puko, na habia ka hamenka menka. but the ugly motive behind those things, our elders will not know, like they will be deceived. So Umu Oma paid a visit to his house and they scattered everything. They burnt the house down and they threatened him that if he ever goes ahead to bring those Fulani, that they will trace him wherever he is.
Onyara, Iboto, we don't care who you are. Probably one akpago. I get mega home machine over there. In a bar. I don't know about it. Huh? Hey! Who be that? On your bawa kan ni manga. Ah? When the hand on the low phone, yeah. Nania. No, my nata. Umu Oma nata. Yeah. Where's your hammer? Yes. We are here live and direct. Onyara, set everywhere ablaze. Onyara, useless man. Onyara Kawo, you have the guts to bring Fulani Janjaweed into our land. You think you have the guts to bring Fulani Janjaweed into our land? We are not going to tolerate it. We are not going to take it. Biafra is our land. You are just a servant to the zoo. You think you have power? Wash your banana. Onyara. Madman. Madman. Onyara, babe. We are going to burn this house down. We are going to burn this house down. Onyara Kawo. Onyara Kawo. Onyara Kawo. He's a madman. We are going to set it ablaze. Liberation Army are not joking. We are not joking. Tell a joke. We are not joking. You are a foolish man. You are a foolish man. You and your family, your entire generation, you people are foolish. Bringing Fulani Janjaweed into our homeland. You think we are joking? If I see you, motherfucker, you are a threat to Igbos. You're a very big threat to our livelihood. What is this? Inverter.
Because you never do the charger.
Hey! Ejibo battery. Ejibo ego.
Not charger, so never do the charger.
Ugana Richard. Hey! Useless man. I will see you for once. We are here. Then,
Okay. Why I'm showing this video from the service of Magnetic Jigs TV, we don't actually know who are these people because they didn't call their name in this video. But we are kind of thinking that they are Umu Oma, or should I say unknown gunmen. Had they been they called their name, we would have go straight to name who they are. So the question here in this video is, if truly that this Frank Mba is a politician who is into signing a contract or bringing Fulani herdsmen into our land, if truly he is and what they said in this video is truth, don't you think that visiting all those bad politicians this way, don't you think that is going to make them to rethink? Don't you think that is going to make them to come back to their senses and stop bringing Fulani herdsmen into our land, or in the name of looking for political favor? Well, with time we shall know. So guys, if you also watch this video as this video is going, you will see that the reason why this serious guerrilla warfare is going on in Imo State, we have been asking these questions. Is Imo State the only place that is in Biafran land? Is Imo State the only place that Biafran Liberation Army is existing? Why is Imo State own different from every other person? Why all this noise? Why all these things going on or happening in Imo State? Why? Now the answer has come to our table. Even the international amnesty said it. Imo State is the worst hit in Southeast. Now guys, watch this video and now understand why everything is happening in Imo State.
Very important information to Saozia. Our people in Orlu and our people in Okigwe axis, how the cause of the fight and our neighbor Tata. Even Eastern Security Network, Gareba, video the fight, Amaho the cause of the fight. Can take the cause of the fight again, and to Sozia, Candomba have the cause of the fight. Fulani Islamic world investigated Imo State and they find two powerful mineral resources. They investigated Imo State, they sent their machine and find two powerful mineral resources. One is in Orlu, and the highest gas, the second highest gas in the whole world is in Okigwe Eboma axis. And when they find these two powerful mineral resources, they send the Fulani to come and meet Lochas. The Fulani meet Lochas during the time of Lochas. Then and requested for these two land. Fulani meets Lochas and requested for these two land. Then Lochas give them this land. They go there and they occupy. And when they occupy there, they begin to kill people so that people will be afraid of them and run away. So that the Islamic world will be coming there to take what there and go. The Islamic world will be coming there and taking what is there and be going. Then, before the form of Eastern Security Network, the people that live that area invited Eastern Security Network to come and help them and fight this Fulani without knowing the reason why these Fulani are there. That these Fulani are there because of the powerful mineral resources that is find those places that Islamic world want to grab, as they are doing in the Sabisa forest, where they have killed everybody and send everybody away and grab that mineral resources to terrorize the whole world. So now they find out the powerful mineral resources in the Orlu and in Okigwe, and those places they go and meet Lochas to give them that land. Then Lochas give them those land because of their political ambition. Then they begin to terrorize people that live in that area in order for everybody to run away for them, so that the Islamic world will be coming to pick what is there. So that is the beginning of the fight. When the Eastern Security Network form and they come and fight this Fulani, the people of this area invite this Eastern Security, they come and they fight this Fulani. Without Eastern Security, no one know the reason why the Fulani occupy there. Without Eastern Security Network, knowing the reason why the Fulani occupied those areas, they fight Fulani. Now, after fighting the Fulani, the people of those areas has now turned against that Eastern Security Network, and some of those men that helped them that time. That is what is happening now, and that is the war, and that is British game. That the politicians form some people and they call them unknown government to terrorizing those areas, so that people of those areas will hate the people that's protecting them and begin to fight against them, so that they can be able to achieve their purpose. That is British game. So share this information so that people will know what is going on in our axis and in our Kigwe and the Eboma axis and the Alon Jesus.
Ebube Jesus has also called on Dr. Ngozi Orobeze to make peace, to set her cabinet very well, to bring peace into her government, that most of the people that she's working with are sabotaging her, that they are speaking ill of her at her back, that it is time for her to make peace. With all this cascata, Biafra will not come in a very close time because of all this cascata, based on the house is not in order. So he advised Ngozi Orobeze to make sure that she bring the whole house in order, in one accord, and to have one mind to achieve this Biafra. Because if the house is divided, it's going to be difficult. But once the house is in one accord, is united, it will be very easy to achieve this Biafra.
Problem. Ayejirophobia.
Oh, it's okay.
Ayejirophobia. Ngwa how many calls receive ma senator, ma governor, ma message. Go see about it and no buy a some states. Every hand I talk about this college, I should this and that and that. Even in the Biafran government themselves, the Biafran government, Ngozi, do something about your government. It's not all about the money. I respect you, but do something. Your government, inside the government, also have saboteurs. Inside your government, inside our government that we have formed, have saboteurs inside. Most of them have called me. Most of them have tried to collect money from me at the back.
Oh, wow.
Most of them have spoiled your name, Ngozi, your own name. They have brought your problem to my table. They have tried to make me hate what is it called? The prime minister, what is it called? The one in Fairland.
Simon Ekpa.
Huh. Simon Ekpa. They have, in case Simon Ekpa had injured, they have tried their best. There was some told me that he's in fact the reason why we have not gotten Biafra. That was when the message of sending that money to the government came to me. They fought that money to make sure it didn't get to their hand. They fought it. How are we going to be free with all these hatreds among us? Is getting Biafra a business? Is it something that has to do with pockets? Did you think that getting Biafra is an opportunity for you to get rich by duping anybody? You are eating a money that is cost. That is a cost money. Because why is a cost money? Because it's a blood money. If you know how many that has died because of Biafra, and abacharanya emewe investigation magiwana make ibo Biafra wayo your grandfathers sonande nwuronwa. So when you are trying to corner somebody, dupe somebody, take money from somebody, snatch somebody's money in the name of Biafra, you are automatically telling your grandfathers that died for Biafra that you didn't value or honor any of their death, and their death means nothing to you. That is exactly what you are doing. Let us honor the people that volunteer themselves. Let's don't insult them. Let's don't fight them. If you do your investigation very well, you find out that most of the DSS that are coming one after the other just to be able to pull me, most of them are not from federal. Most of them is from our eastern governors. Yes.
Oh, wow.
You think I don't know?
Yes, no be lie. Yes.
I'm not calling, I didn't call anybody's name. Soludo, I didn't even attach your name on this one. But I know that most of the DSS that are coming to pull Ebube Jesus is not from federal. You people manipulated it. The eastern governors, not even the southerners. That's why I say that the hatred Igbos have on their self in this matter of freedom is too much.
I don't know why.
It's too much. Onye kwurota kwatu ya, somu breze gakwoto. What you enjoy today and you don't enjoy it tomorrow. Ebegum, sorry, African I'm not church eba Biafra na emego mumba akwa. Enwe the time I'm not crying for you Nigeria na eme Biafra no. As in enwe the time nnokata as in I start share as in nkwawa kwa obi. Nsuudo obi. Niye my brothers na eme as a kind of utuagesi anata. Yes, as an utuagesi manipulate, get ya close to me and collect money. Sigi no game ya making cause. If you say a proof to that, okawaro gakoko. The reason why I trusted the government and supported the government the way I did it, it's not because Nande Mada Abiakutaram Chiemo warning. They came to me. But I have to do what I need, what I think is the right thing to be done. Ian Kari neba ne meru nukita. But preaching. Oh yen kwesi ne meba kita. Yen kwesi ne meba kita nuabu. The calling that God called me. For the real name of God. The end time. I know kuna end time. And na end time. That is what I'm supposed to be preaching to you all now. But imagine me. Even in this end time, I'm preaching Biafra. For you to know how serious. I've promised myself that I will not be happy that no one mecha biananjedebe. Hey God, amam ki chenu go this thing na kuketa. You chenu go that na obukwan no owa biananjedebe echi, and we didn't let us see Biafra. No, we didn't let us see Biafra with our eyes. As in, I say that na enigwe, yes, enigwe ha incha nine nari amana ya furo Biafra. Emana ebe ahụ ika ga na feel like na if you feel lo as in no nwere ihe me ho. You see your fathers emaka ndị Igbo nna ju na ajuju obugo this part call to tia send ya call to this part send ya nna ju every pastor that refused to preach about freedom of Biafra, that refuse to speak about the freedom of the Biafrans. If you get to heaven tomorrow, and those of your grandfathers that are also in heaven happens to see you and ask this same question I'm asking now, hey, my brother, so you make heaven, congratulations. What will you answer them? What will you answer them? Man of God, what will you answer them? Governor, whatever, what will you answer? I come to realize one thing. With all these things, look at look at where I am. Oh God. This life. Imeche no man and ofube dike dine. Ndị ọcha ma na-ebukwa iwayo ha na-ebu anyị with cars. Aruo 215. Ero 227 ha ka ga-arụkwa another type. I ejekwa gote that one ahụ. Arụ na that 27. Then 2029 ha arụkwa ọzọ. And the source of ha ga na-change aya na-egi ebu. Change the shape, change the seat. Mano engine ahụ kwa. The same every also ahụ ọ ga-agba n'ụzọ ka ọ ga-agba. Aya rush kwa go ye. When will we start having sense? When?
Oh,
I want to see Africa grow. All pastors want to drive private jets. It's very good. Very, very good. But my question is, if I die, who will maintain that private jet or who will inherit it? Most of the people died out of what they owned. I've seen so many rich men that died and his children started selling everything he owned. So, what are we doing to be free? You see that word freedom, that word free. That word free is the beginning of victory. Freedom, afufu freedom, as in need the free. Dan na na afufu, noro na prison. You want a right to puapu. You want a right to anything. And the yen na hane take here. Nigeria nyuaro eteye na the whole Nigeria. I told you eteye na ndi Igbo. Yoruba me yawu adai more in Nigeria. Na them. If we ban a search on Igbo airport. Obuni make it better name. Just like I did Ruten Airport, some even the distance will want to come and help. So look at yourself, meet here some people. Oh, Jesus sign area. Some Jiradiaka had de chalom so many things. Me abona na afu. Kezi makandi enworo such opportunity. Kedu makahamu. If you are in Mendi Bon Airport outside, you'll be like, Kedidri. What is going on? That is why we need this freedom. We need this freedom before the unity of Africa, because Africa will unite very soon. That is what we don't know. Africa is coming to unite. One currency, one visa. And I want to see Biafra before then. Because if it happened in Nigeria, we'll be weak to get Biafra. We'll be very weak. It is the right of you and I to do the needful now. It is you that will do it. You that is looking at me, you are the one that will do this. Start seeing it now that without you, there will be no Biafra. Until you start reasoning this way. Obido mmewe gi sleepless night. Once obido inye the sleepless night, that is when the muscles start awakening. Just like when you repented new. Inye fonwe gi Chineke the first time enwere diri working in enwe. That kind of working will start coming into you. You see that you start preaching Biafra, and once you start doing that, others will start believing in. We will start teaching our children about Biafran in schools. We will start preaching about Biafrans in our church. I think I need to allow you people to say something.
Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV. We remain the best. Yes, so try and subscribe with us. Share this video. We are with you always. Bye.